Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Night again. So I am shooting this video today very quickly to share some details, some horrific details about the Monkey Ball NFT sale, NFT drop, which was today at 2 p.m. UTC time, and it was a complete disaster. It really failed, and as you can see, this is this is on Monkey Ball Twitter account. So they are saying that massive Solana congestion. When everything was failed, I will show you some just in a while in some screenshots, and you will be like very much surprised at how it can happen. Excuse me. Monkeys, there was massive congestion on Solana and a heavy load on our site, causing further delays. Please be patient and try again in several minutes. Apologies, we are not on it. I mean, they planned this drop since many days before they're announcing it and they are not clear about it. Just let me show you before what happened actually. So on the Monkey Wall website, let me show you what's happening. Monkeyball.com. So as you can see, it's showing drop ended 0 seconds. Okay, so this message of drop ended was here before even this countdown was ended, like I think 50-60 seconds before. I was like crazy. I was like thinking, how's that possible? Then I checked the Twitter and I mean saved some few pictures. Let me show you. So drop ended, 15 seconds remaining. You can see drop ended, 40 seconds remaining. You can literally see the screenshot. They are running the countdown. 40 seconds are remaining. And you can see this message drop ended. 15 seconds drop ended. If I show you their Twitter, so they are saying, basically they were saying that this is due to some Solana congestion. They are working on it and they will resume it again. So if you can see 32 minutes before they were saying that we have resumed the sale, and I'm already on it, but it's loading like forever. I mean, they haven't even approved the transaction, given the option to approve the transaction yet. If you go there after doing like 100 refreshes, this thing is happening here. Let me show you some of the comments of the people so that you can get the some idea what's really going on. Some people, I don't know how's that they're good, doing. They're saying they got one after 30 plus trials. Get read get drugged and lost all my SOL for your failed drop. Please, I need your help now. So people are like crazy right now. They're crazy angry. They are like frustrated for Monkey Ball. They are like ready to hunt Monkey Ball right now. Players ready to hunt the team of the Monkey Balls. I have been charged but haven't received my money. Legitimately the single worst drop I have ever seen. Let me go through one of the yes. So this what these did at Monkey Ball game. They lied saying it was a 5k supply mint. Then it really they only sold 500 and thus completely sold out before the timers was done. Then the dev wallet is holding 4,500 and they'll stupid got ranked. As you can see this, I mean someone found out somehow by going to the smart contracts and all. And again, you can see the replies. I had theory of Monkey Ball. They closed their candy machine once the new kids were botting it and buying before link was out on pick. You see below, people are saying it is dev wallet. meaning that only 481 monkeys were minted and minting might be open again later. So going through these comments and all, let me show you the latest tweet and their its replies. Fool me once. I'm not. I am up to 3 times now and out. Why wouldn't you just reschedule and fix it at timing? I don't have time to refresh your Twitter page all day. No, seriously, he's right. I have, I have even replied to it. I mean, people don't have freaking all day. They're not free. Come on, be announce something like that, due to something it's we have rescheduled it. I mean, it will also not be fair for the many people who tried a lot minting it and your error happened somehow and they're gone, continued with their other work, and later on you resumed it and some other people will, I mean, take it. And guys, really, at this point of time, I really don't know that they got ragged. The bot took all of the monkeys before even sale go live, or what's the scenario? I don't know, because I'm trying. So you see, I'm trying uh, all the time. I'm still trying, but it's nothing happened. I don't know what's they're doing, but it's really terrible. I'm very much disappointed. I mean, if they can't afford to launch it, then they should be ready for it. It's not working anyway. Grid website down, mine just goes to blank page. So yeah, they're saying that they're live now and it's working, it's open, it's not working, but people are still not able to do anything. He's saying he got one after 200 times. I don't know. I also done like more than 200 times. Lol loading Windows once. So guys, as you can see, as of now, nothing is happening, and I don't know what excuse or they will come up. The monkey ball team will come up next, or they will come up with the real solution. I will try for, I mean, a few minutes. I don't know. I will refresh this page or something because it's already loading. I don't know. Should I interrupt it or should I mean, refresh it? I don't know. So I will try for a few minutes, and I don't know if it will not happen. Then it's already late. I'll not waste all my night on that. I'm gonna sleep. Okay. So I'll see next day what really happened. But I am already disappointed. Until unless the monkey ball team will really man up and accept this and I mean do something about it, I'm no more supporting this like I was, and I'm not getting into it. Maybe I don't know. I'm giving them chance. I'm not giving any judgment right now. It's just my opinion right now. I'm talking as a, I mean, as a normal person who is try to mint. So I'm talking about that, and I'm making this video for them. Quick, I'm making this video without any. I mean, I'm just waiting. I'm making this video randomly. Okay, so I will let you know whatever will happen. Okay, right. As right now, I'm just shooting this video and letting all you know. Also, in coming time, I will let you know about any project and any update, any useful thing. So, guys, if you think I'm giving you any valuable information, if you think I'm doing something valuable here, please just give some thumbs up and also do subscribe, guys. Guys, I'm getting okay views per day, but I'm not getting subscribers. On I mean 1% people, not even 1% are subscribing. So please subscribe it. It will be really helpful for me, really supportive. And let's see, guys, what will happen to the monkey ball. Please post your comments in the comment section that what is your theory about it and what you think about it. Do you get your monkey, or do you think this is a scam, or do you think they will fix it? Whatever, please comment down and we'll talk about it. All right, guys, I think we'll cover it all, and I will just I have nothing to say. All right, bye bye.